What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna talk about principles of training someone or coaching someone. Boom! There are some basic principles you must respect every time you wanna coach and train someone. So means what's your easiest and fastest way to deliver your information to someone? Okay, so the first one is a T. T stands for teach. Okay, so you will go through development to this person, what you have to say, what to do. So this is like a preempt of what is going to happen. So what I find out, especially in my business, okay, coaching is one of the main important skill set into this business after learning how to sell, of course. Teaching is because everybody's looking for the best sales gun. It's gonna come to your business where you don't need to put any effort, you don't need to spend any time, they just come in and they help you to build a business. The reality is this, you need to spend time teaching them, okay? Yes, there are some, talented area where, you cannot really teach, but you need to focus on teach. You need to invest your time to develop this person in order for you to make this person successful and profitable. People are assets. You need to look after them. Spend time teaching. Okay, the next one, S. S stands for show. Don't get into the trap that you talk and over talk and tell them what to do, but you don't walk your talk. And I see this all the time. So there are a lot of people who tell people what to do, but are not able to do. Why the fuck do you tell them to do that if you're not able to do? So in my business, for example, is sales. If you can't sell, why are you teaching people how to sell? So especially in this society right now, you can see personal training overweight, with no offense to anyone. Or there are people teaching people how to be happy and they use pills to be not depressed. There are people teaching how to have the best relationship and they are single. So it's like, you know what I mean? So show how the job get done. Next one is the W. W stands for watch. Once they seen and you show them what to do, it's time for you to watch and back them up just in case they need help, because it's time for them to physically and mentally get involved into the job. Okay, so the next one is watch but stay there to make sure everything is correctly. Next one is feedback. It's really important to give feedback in a positive way. I did another video how to give feedback, which is a build, break, build. Means emphasize what they're doing really well. Break means do this to improve and get better, but leave them always in a positive again, but keep going on that specific things which you're doing really well. Just that little things need to be improved, but leave the good stuff over there. So good job, keep going. So build, break, build. Because for example, I grew up in an old school Italian family. The only time they talk to me, they just talk to me when I was making mistakes. They never told me when I was doing a good job. So I understood that every time they were not talking with me, that means I was doing a good job. So I understood by growing up, that's not the best way. So always build, give a positive, break, give a negative, build them again. And the last one is let them go. Yes, it's time for them to become self-sufficient. It's like when you grow, if you have a child, which I don't have, but my mom and my dad, they didn't want me to leave the country because they were scared. I want to be with me, let me look after you. Okay, this does happen all the time with family or in business. When I train someone at the start, I didn't want to leave my person alone because I was scared this person was not doing the right things. Okay, and that's a big mistake because they need to develop the hustle muscles. Let them go. Okay, because if you babysit them all the time, if you protect them all the time, you're not actually letting them grow. I know you thinking you doing good, but you actually don't. Let them grow up. Let them feel the pain. Let them get better at it. Let them make mistakes until they understand by themselves. Okay, so these are the basic principles of training and coaching someone. Hopefully this has been helpful. Okay, push the like button, subscribe, and if you have any particular topic or video you would like me to go through for you, send me a comment, send me an email, whatever, and I'll see you in the next video, baby.